Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. I had a job last weekend. I had to relocate the TV unit in the living room. That meant moving the TV, VHS, DVD, the TiVo box, the Wi-Fi hub, and everything else that's in that unit. So loads of plugs. So I wanted to label up each plug so I knew what each plug was linked to. So I broke up my label maker. Now, you know me, I like my retro stuff. So there's none of that, oh, print out a label, print it off, change the font type, change the font size. Nah, we're going old school. I broke up my proper old school label maker. Love these things. I just thought I'd show it. Just the simplicity of it and that cool 80s look and nostalgia of the labels. I'll print one off in a minute and I'll show you. And then I think, because you've got it out, so you may as well print some more labels off and stick them on stuff around the workshop. So we're going to do that. Well, I'm going to do that. Yeah, I wouldn't get carried away. Anyway, let's go on to the overhead. I'll just quickly, if you've never seen one of these before, I'll just quickly go through what it does and how it works. So this is a fairly simple device. It comes with these little cartridges, which has like a quite thick plastic, which is self-adhesive. And basically, you pull the trigger, choose the letter around the bezel you want into this place here, and it punches and stretches the plastic and it goes white. Simple as that. So let's just do a quick one. So pull her onto the end. There's the cutting side. You press the cutter, trim it off, and you get a nice little label. How cool are these? And how nostalgic are they? I remember using these at school. But once you say, you can't just print one label off, so I think I have to print some more labels off and then label some more things around the workshop. So you've seen this one. I peeled some off the back. Let's go put it where it needs to go. There you go. On my door. Right. Do some more. I think I need to put this away. You don't want to get too carried away with things like this because it is fun. It's fun. Thanks for watching. And because I did get carried away, cheers.